Just the gaming Latin sangi, Taringa Londonney ki host presenter yi, ani Taringa zu peki channel ki lenze nangla shingi sum on to sala payer, ani kron zu susung ote chire.
Just the gaming Tenzin Tselha nga lobji ani nga Londonney.
Just the gaming Raesang, ani nga engineering bala ke yoni.
Just the gaming Tenzin Paldon ani nga ki shigela ke pai.
Ani ta nganzu tiwa khashi tira tharing nganzu mangche losar korang ki chire. So 정말 렐레레 ngaranzu no su leng shingi na gyana dio re ani nge zu ma zu la la ani go chala tangshu to start simple losar lana khare what comes to your mind when you hear the word losar
Losar snata phe new year wa ani unzo tatsi losawa yoro ani ni jaji jaro ani tal losar yoro
알았어. 네, 아니 드링 안주 달로 로살 진다 가주 딸이 가주라래 수신이야.
먼저 그별 로토네 다와 당슈 제와 찍라데.
아니 딩 안주 the date the 컨디스레 안주 컨디 how do we determine what will be the date of the losar every year?
또 lunar calendar ne 니마 당보로와 소타 인지 calendar 다왕이와 체와 체 미스터직
네, 딱딱해. 아니 just for more info 안주 페바 calendar 나올라 진다 남주 진다 중이스 요래 아니 점점님 로니 숨 every 2-3 years 안주 다와 다룽직 디나올레 nembe jagore kachalana di anju chinda chungi ya the lunar calendar so to make it equal to a solar calendar we add 1 month every 2-3 years ani dishine anju losar khatin this julo da chamjam chinda niwa chamjam chinda sumba chida dishine re the anju losar su celebrate chigore.
There's loads of like different ethnic groups that celebrate Losar. There's Tibetan people, there's Bhutanese people, there's Nepalese, Sikkim. So it's just like an event that's shared among a lot of Buddhist cultures.
딱딱했어. 아니 카시 사자 카실라디 Losar public holiday re. 그래서 간주 별라다 힘버라. 아니 자가기 state 나라 Sikkim 도 Ladakh 도 Nepal 그런 줄라 Losar public holiday re. So 간주 Losar celebration you ringle 치고래. 이마 가수 스토데거.
또 tradition 니마 중앙스와 얘다 가사 인지롱발라 먼저 니마 숨스너시 님 숨스와
그래 니마 숨래 아니 미 카시 most probably pöla 니마 중앙스 당기래 베야 계란 딱달라스 계란 라우네시 니마 숨디 the main event 도래 아니 계란조 로사르 갑라 카리치게 what do you do so all three of you can answer that is there 계란조 K family tradition you 카리치게 로사라
Tangbo, I'd say I wake up.
most important
Spend time with family. There's always getting gifts. And there's also desi, there's also chang sometimes. And it's just nice to spend time with family because we're all so busy.
True.
추와사와이 라기로
당신
추와사와 아니 호 쇼자라 데시 신부치 사이요 아니 인조 토모낭라 로보케 낭라 도예 체마디라 아니 어디
그래 하트가
먼저 나오니 불라 마트가 나오니 난 정말 쓰기야 아니 난 정말 쓰잖아요 데시스로 같이 아니 돌아서 공이 아니 먼저 파 tradition dona시 지교리 new year photo dona시 추바사 공네 아니 난 치료 되네 아니 먼저 파
that's 어디는 좀 돼야 나더다 제가 역시 하진 있어 장마스 건조 그랑이 저기랑 돌아서 내가 주고 오케이 말해 나이 다른 지게야 선생님아 근데 나 추바사와는 담대샤 녀서 담대샤 저기랑도 나랑 이렇게 큐피드 아니 So the Losar kabla re ani kinzu Losar do you know Losar Eve la nganzu khari lagor phege naula
di namkang lagi
namkang ani khari chigyo kheranzu Losar Eve tenjim jing nima chingel mal yang nima ngi ngela kheranzu khari chigor naula
derka di siya ene panganso kutu dana shi chikyo di pula jadi di bitama che ene di sa ene shu pula kar yigili na ene kinzo like I don't kind of like your fortune.
Oh yeah.
Re odi character do later.
Nimang ye pingya chunga mora
Karas.
morang di nanglo chik yore sing mara ani mora tama doctor di san oh my god ani so what's in noya di na chik lore chik di na yore morang ninja chitiro morang nguni
ninja so khari yor di na ho ko mara oh no ninja ani cancer khandi khari rayu in the last year nyema losala shina sa shira
Four years in a row.
Oh no! That's not the worst, you know. Dilo duga yore, don't worry. And Raesang la?
Gosh, tingmen도.
tingmen도.
차로 gosh, tingmen도.
Shinasa she's a temper jeju is
Traumatized.
Tenzin
Oh, temperatures. I think it's mostly dawa. Dawa, yeah. That's very good. Yeah.
That's very nice. Oh, angani maragyo anyway. Oh, that's nice, yeah. So, namjune Nishu go later, which is second last day of the last month Tibetan calendar gaji. Odi nimula mangche kyanzula na shinang sangmasu ani kutuk kyangi odi la joti kutuk ra di nanglo la ni khari characters ti odi tradition do re nyamang so just it's a sumur light hearted game do re in the case serious mare kyanzo une sebe do yeah ani tari sumjula which is namkhang di kabla ani yangone prayers chi kompa do la do ani chepa do phu Losar chick nganzo how ge tari ni cha chick la ligo re di member Losar naga shaba khari khari or how ge
Losar nagar jamanda dana shirita. For example, we have like Sunam Losar,
Gyalo
Losar,
Lamen
Ladam Losar. Depending on them, like the people and like Kunzu Kande celebrate chigi and different yora.
re di pawetari logo ra amdo Losar da kongpo Losar kunzu logo this logo tamita ani even Jaga state chick Sikkim la kunzu Losar rang tangyo re yang they even call it something else losung do chik le re odila ani tari logo re odi Tibetan calendar na la chinda chuan nang tangyo re so tarang re and just for info extra facts nishu research samasya ora nishu gula anzu lama Losar lagore and then tari sumju anzu namkhang la anzu kepo Losar lagor khachin remana okay, this is a fun one, my favorite question. So the thalo anzu Losar la khari lagore no anzu horoscope anzu animal logo ya so thalo khandi re anzu symbol khare yes exactly
2150
good and how ge khari what does it stand for khari symbolize chigore
I think this means that next year hopefully will be full of new opportunities, prosperity. Also, Ribbon, they have big families, so maybe time with family. I don't
fertility. Maybe. But yeah, that's really good. Exactly. Tawarang re. So in the lay to ya, anto rabbit, water rabbit ribbon la. It symbolizes prosperity, peace, longevity. So then sama now or a family in a re. So they're calling it a year of hope.
Oh,
yes.
That's nice. That sounds nice.
Right. So the thing anzu Losar Tiba Tama dinala ta zotugore. And next anzu kapse gola tiwa liita.
That's my favorite.
Kazu shingiru tao. So kapse lana kare samgu the simple words kares kapse.
Kanasaya. 갑세.
칼라사 데시레 칼라사 치리레 but 갑세 가리기 쓰고 그래가지고
갑세 가리스 주시 아니 말 차티스 치마카르티스 아니 놈 fried chin.
Just literally fried.
그래 doctor exactly deep fried chiare 아니 미 가시 있는 비 자원나 인데 칼라나 촌달루다 어디 지나 디레 바야 캐나 라우나 시다랑레 아니 갑세 된주 가도 쓰고 그래가지고 and the logo lo ingin nang mi khashi dawaching lo sure khashi khanz khandi chiga
오늘 temperature.
oh kyo mare nang la khadu syo thonggudo kyanzo
maybe like a couple weeks before lapten ni nang le letani chima shimbu
Losar lisu somgudo
chokse kon newspaper changma ayo
je doctor I think nga ngara samjul inde fix ke yona nga hagume but nga somgudo khashi 다와직 승엘라 가시 둘랑이 가시 니망이엘라 수유레 어디에 남미르다 생각 얻었어요 so yeah 어디래 아니 계란주 낭라 아니 다수 다 계란주다 수임도 가 하고 있어 사를 넘어서 so su in charge 다 갑자기 써야지
다 아무라도 빨라네 많지 아니 넘기는 거 family event 나 로봇이
술라 진지지 쓰래
파키아스 이거
제 doctor 아니 다 갑세 괜찮 쓰여왔다 망부통 이기라니 간제 디시자 투서 갑세 간제 만져 가리 통이
봉광주 열어
나가 다 먼저 비어리.
간제 수 계란주 가리 가오요 다 망셔
Like nyapsha, right? Because that's like you just cut and then you just flip. So
oh
it's easy.
right yeah
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 주르도 거요
괜찮 차고요 나무 고요
나무
oh 직발이 ngai ngamu goyo regardless of what it looks like when tiksare re doctor so tang anju ti khapse thiwa chaso next we're talking about derga so derga lana khari ko chu to kenanjo
okay 갑세 like 자교디 추심 담들라 디요라
It's like 먼저 kunjura tribute
offering
re doctor daran jo re ya ani they to cheba na pure line but then all khari lego so what are the components what does derga consist of don't take the result
먼저 풍광저 때문에 느끼는 먼저 different
of course yeah can some nangla khanje thunggudu daran shinju
먼저 보러 저예요 아니 biscuits as well 아니 차 like the tea leaves and stuff 아니 추라 먹고
re chura yore ani chala nangla khanje chige
And then you also have the bowl, which is you have tsamba, and then you also have the
dil tayo mata this bowl
yeah the septo and you also have the and then you also have lopo sometimes
yeah okay doctor yeah ani mi khashi the susu now to derga loga yora manju ende biscuits ana or even chocolate and inching bata into chaduda but yeah unichina the pungo anjula wanashi ani cha cheba and yora so anyway odi anjo detail na this chala ke show ani derga su digu the na la keranzo ashang da amla ra oh
바람라
Symbolism.
계속 가르치대 derga didik didigabla direction to the dindishi this
니만 갈사 먼저 키디 추라디 사이도 먼저 뭐다 근데 먼저 정말 수 추라디 사이도 like 너야 사인배 레사 사인배 아니 암랑 like 도 like nga samare pala samare kera sainbe kuch nga saime nga churadi na shi go me 아니 뭔지는 건저 키라 그래서 몸랑은 저 키디 저하나 통서 거야 자이도라 저 달리 찍 충지지 키도 아이요 다 진짜 정말 paranoid
Lasa derga nanglo la the choice mangbuna kiran chura jugu sera easy nje kicheba ya bu de chik shin lingita very sweet
Yeah, she told me. I was just like,
okay so just one quick question dela ming mata derga nangla phungo amjo kazu yore kazu gore
Samsam gera, samsam chu.
get the true yes I think that's the right answer ani khajna koron the balance in the chura so Kandere?
It was some saying donashi chikke cause nima donashi. It was like you wanna like even out the amounts of bad luck.
Oh.
So like the bad luck and good luck, so that good luck like overtakes the bad luck at the top.
아니 안수 derga nima khazus digneshe or at least kyan su nangla ani khadu ma papke
not the night before and then there were junga barbecue I think
so nima chongas kyan su derga digneshe gora okay paparish nima ngansu I think I chinje da ne district the same to mara bera so ngara nyamba ga den so nima sumbas chela chik chik shin lingi shi re
That should be fine.
건다
ngal pesha me mila tangazu cheba gor ke chwa so I think ngara samjula di kale khapo yor district so ngazu nyamdu chine ru chine lengyala ani ta cheba nanglo la the liquid offerings ra so khaju yore ani khari re dinzo
로
yeah but you can also discussion it go
like
manzo
차표열에
수자
so khaju yore thangbo let's sum yes sum yore
수자 요라 아니
Chang.
주장 아니
차표 yeah.
okay la
수자도 요라
Saja, so do you
Saja,
can nang di thogyo ra? Yeah. And do you think how maybe in the butter chao and num chao lugo re? Di cheba re mara?
가시다
Sure. So Seja ngaz khari decide to cheba sorry. Seja changye da sumba di khare?
가시다 나시메
Chu.
추첩 폐지
Chuda gor kitchen bora chu. Re takta isa kyama. Kyama ding anzu samjira kyama aran zu nangla ende do thongyo ra. Ani cheba nanglo la shamba offering khari yore. How you get?
Desira.
like
Just color. Yes, they see.
뼈 요라
Re.
춤에 또 라양라
Ani
Yeah.
kashi ani dry fruits to lu ende do chiga tarka inare and then kina lawash ni day. Tara. Yeah, what this is right. Ani
Yeah, almonds. Cashew nuts.
cashew nuts my favorite
They're the best.
yeah
그런 거 이제 정말 las다. So 아니 수 피기도 된도 제발 그냥 나올라.
얘 몸라를 넘기는 거
몰라. That's nice. 몸라 약고 신긴 게 별로도 따따래.
나라 약신요
맞아 하게. 아니 그냥 나올라 수치거래 잖아.
Nambu Balayo.
맞아.
Shangola.
잠라. This was last Tibet hamadil Lhadon nangla khari chige le da Losar la ani Losar la kesi cheba do phudo one can to chida megi re cheba phugo mar but in the prayer do chige nyam do nangla ani khari the prayer khari do melam khari chige khanso
Usually Losar Tanda, it's on like a school day. Lapta day. Teaching long talk up to me the goes yung mara. You know, this is from my family. Saying I long talk up to mata hanse just like chome pu danashi and check chopo check suma danashi check se and lapta dogi.
melam jatisrago mara
Ragi yung mara.
믹스
Lapta this tari pu.
얘네 참나 like I take a day off of school sometimes for Losar. Unless I've got like loads of work.
You're just lucky.
Unless I've got like loads of work. And also Jamyang presenter. Yeah. They do some prayers there. 가루 열심히. Like
이게 굳이 덜렁하라 주바 싸움 못 줘.
제시 먹고.
제시 먹고. 아니 냠바 먹고 나왔어. 네. 아니 찰라?
Jikpa darang.
네. time of lingyu lapchane thusurang mindu.
Thusurang mindu.
thusuramne.
I'm not saying that. I'm not after you later.
Kemange digital application to kanzo amla. La. Ani ta anzu next the cheba di tsaso. So anzu ta tharcho anzu prayer flags for la tigo. So yango ne kanzo prayer flags tharcho kona khari go chu the kanzo.
농다 다졌듯이 칠로 아니 얘가 있나요? 얘가 가서 기분자 샤기에 아니 dumbrana 칠로 신도지간 신도지간
닝주문. So can like decoration right?
I don't know. It's very serious. It's very like a cultural.
December Q da. So anzu December Q because we know it means something auspicious tishinera. So re takdare ani khaju so lhaje prayer tharja na la prayer flag la chonda khaju yore ani chonda shinge khar yachala
Seo, Mao, Jungle, Gao, and then Wumbo, right?
Re takdare is very good. Linolis. So I think tang asung kyan so how good into chonda khari symbolize chigore. So
Norbu is the sky, like any clouds, like the air and the clouds, and then Maudi is fire, and then Jungle is chu, and Seo is sa.
Seo sa Jungle chu. Okay.
Of course, because what else?
Seo sa re khachin sam good kenzo.
Clay,
like gold land.
Gold land,
Yeah.
you know.
Maybe like good luck.
like the stones in the. And then sometimes, like when you have like the clay, it kind of like an orange yellow color.
Yeah.
Could be.
That's what I think of.
Maybe like people then so their main Lobachia was like agriculture, like workforce. So like maybe it could suggest as they cut down the crops for the new year, maybe it could suggest like having like a good money or like good income or profit from what they sold.
It could be. It could be. No, really, doctor, because nyama pula Losar the harvesting time they used to merge at the same time. So that was during Pula King and the 9th King Kablare. So yeah, harvesting time. So it was sort of a good luck, good harvesting for the rest of the year. Yeah, I never thought about that.
And a new perspective.
Yeah.
3 years later.
Okay, and keranzu lota haugyo and deepawe chonda khari keranzu la nyamdu dugor haugyo like elements to your so what matches for your year of birth haugyo Meiki sounds very
fire dog
like
a Pokemon. So you to know
oh nice. Tenzin
Turns out how we thing it's like Shin Diu, like woodman. So
Shindu karisam with the sebuina earth. Do you think it's earth metal?
Yeah.
Maybe. Lhadon?
I think it's silver the color and it's like ox.
Ox. So but you don't know kari elementary how me.
Sasirpo.
Re tatare. Ngai shinki wood dog. Yeah, ngai sonda how me. So jela uting anzo research ni rang jela. So that's fine. Ani also anzo tharcho nanglo lai shape the lana shape mare yang anzo kartang loga yorani. The main nga how gena ga ni yore chik ringdung and the chik anzo tendency kar gaya. And chik can how get there's another kind hundred how get horizontal chik kar gaya anzo yeah so no vertical.
Vertical, horizontal.
Vertical.
Maths, please.
Same. same.
bombs that man.
Right, so the la khar lege how kya?
Tharju?
So tharju to be just technical, I think ana samjula de notice theory yang tindre nganju khana law na shi nang la da inde ri la inde changya denju tharju rang re ani nganju shingang la chombo like a flag do inde chembo ringbu kar kya. So the those are L nere. Hint lungta. Exactly. So they are called lungtas, you know, the ones. Yeah.
I know something.
I think it's okay. Kandilana, kunzula kandilana jire. I'm assuming interchangeable re, but specific china dinde ringbu shingal karke jinsu lungta leire, lungta, you know, wind horse. So, but yeah, ani dinju they told such a tool into la kargya. So ngaranzu susu, you know, to make our nganzu luck karina fortune this yaga to echitera. So tira ani ani odi lungta dinju samjang susu nang jable mi khashi sheda gombala mangbu thongire. So tenditore. Thalo nganzu TCB ki Losar celebration nganzu community khadu cherish Tsering and the date how kya? Right.
Basically, manso dela mi mangbu laga chigyoda. So usually manso Losar, let's say if it's on a working day, manso pa weekday la shagi, so Saturday usually.
Re takta re. Ani di Losar di su TCB Losar di nganzu su organized shibore Tsenzo di how kya?
Phuntsok
Members? Yeah. So
Right.
like Gen Kongula, for example,
Exactly.
his speeches, announcer Danashi, your host.
Re. And di nanglo khatu ina, you know, there's always good nganzu community na volunteer khatu na yakpu yo but so khanzu re. But yes, obviously nganzu. Ani kenzu anzu TCB community Losar kabla susu kapse into kijugya.
Some.
근데 챔버시 키두게 진지지 키두게 수수 막아야 되지 키두게 아니 샴바할 키두게 근데 is there a tradition dela because not dela in the TCB Losar thong mayim so can to kan데 in the 키두게 just kapse or
I think it's assigned roles. Like you have different members bringing in different stuff. So like Raesang like Kale Singe like Ropa Chigito. So like he's assigned with the feed and stuff.
Okay. And the exchange to palchigo mara it's just so curriculana. In the door.
People just
That's nice. Ani so a주 sensudelani kari event la kari tsugudu. Like rough kenzo kari samguda lewa in the chigo dinde
Lewa da chema de yoro. Ani there's also they have like a desi gyore, puja yore. And they also have the chong. And then they have like a whole program. There's like I think sometimes they have
like cultural dances.
Like the dances and the song. And then somebody will do like a speech or something. And then there's a meal.
There's
after everything, Gorsh's my favorite part.
Reckon sound tobacco, Oh, that's nice. And it's soon a program that tapke di Losarla cancer.
Talo tabi man.
Oh, talo chal Lhadon she is a country peshe. Kusim se malash ni So kind of peshe.
This year solo tapia la digams chimaso. Like I didn't have time for it.
Do you usually do solo?
No, it's like I wanted to Danashi, like I wanted to dance, but then
Wow.
I didn't get the time. Chizuramaso. So I'm doing a group one.
He was so good, like it's always amazing. I'm like, wow.
Oh wow.
We gotta go.
Oh, I'm going to look forward to it. Kandere, is it a secret? Like Kongpo Shere, Amdo Shere, Kandere? A surprise.
I honestly
It's Tibetan.
Can you hum
long sleeve gear, long sleeve.
long sleeve?
Yeah,
Oh, that one. Most of the dances.
That
That one. But can you hum the tune for us a little bit?
I honestly don't know the tune as well.
Oh my god.
Have you been to any practice?
I've been to all the regular practices, right? But the shared Jangya Tamid, I usually like on the day, I do like listen to it for like 3-4 hours constantly to know everything. Then I dance it. It's very procrastinated.
It's okay. Can I chill at some gia opera? So keep it up. Next year, I'm going to Raesang. I'll write a letter. They want to volunteer, but they're very shy. Please right.
Tell her Raesang together.
Right. So nganzu TCB la the Tenzin events yora. Ani the pagala kapse Tenzin JC changyo kapse timsa. So susugore, is there any roles suena la teore assigned chure or
I think it's assigned. Like I'm not actually entirely sure, but I do know because we like help to kalakiaya.
Oh yeah.
Every single and then you have somebody coming up and being like, oh, nga di mangbuko, nga di mangbuko. Just in the mangbuko, can someone swap with me? Like, oh, just take your food. Next person.
Oh no!
Don't be so fussy. Nga ten di mangbuko, you're gonna get it.
Right. So kala in charge kadina. We have lots of leftovers left. Right. So I'm only asking these questions because the TCB now. I know you guys are young, but you know, we have to go into and sort of be aware, situational awareness, right? You have to look around and know. Or the church, he's been in charge of all this, the dressing on the society. The round church is Sosha, or this Ajala has made all the chapicha Kangsa Sosha. So this Losar Kiran's assignment. Dura. Be in charge today. This is and Pagila Kapse Yura. So you do wonder, Kiran's Nangla, Ashang La Damla is your. So who made the TCB event La Susure Kapse Kangsa?
Aja Kunsang lagi. I think Aja Kunsang makes the Phungomjo. Phungomjo manzo pa stage kanga shagiwa.
Je.
Pa. Aja Kunsang lagi segiasa.
So that's yeah, I know. So that's good to know. Seeing yeah. So Aja Kunsang lagi Phungomjo segola. So that's a big task, wrong? And so we have to appreciate and recognize their efforts. Yeah. And cancel a role, yeah. Sometimes but can assign Chimasa and the Kanzala.
No.
Okay. So next year volunteers. Dance, Kalalunye. Right. Any Korshe, the last Korshe can go, yeah. So Mangshi can lead, she was Sutongito. Or anybody else, Shabba?
Like Aja Paldon is there as well. I think they have their own like group down there. Who lead. Yeah, like you know how like Jagala in like let's say Mongol right there, like I think Mongol Kunsang Kamsang they get together and in Kunsang they have like this group of people that learn all the Goshe dances so that
they can lead.
And they'll be in the center and then we just how much just
it's the same there, they have a group.
I think until last exactly.
We're all on the big circle. Catch up.
Jab la. By the time we learned, they've moved on. But I think until London Koshi Yao drew the the next level drew and I've seen Kansala Nashi the group Aja Paldon Suna even and Tongmatara even she's go Yapushin Chang and Ansula Peta Yapuda. So so just pay attention, Susu. Kimadi circle, inner circle.
I have something for sure.
And next year maybe Kansasum, Central Ladene. Central La Kima Horola.
10 years later, still on the back.
So they can notice, I hope you guys notice, Namju, I always look around the room. Who is usually the best dressed?
Okay, so this one.
Come on.
During Losar events.
So Tongbo is like Bu Chinjin the Ben Nado da Chiba Chinjin Nado the she it's like so Bu Kareta What is it?
Nothing.
不过亲戚去我可能在那边那多多，才说说其实训多connect 呀，对啊，不多呢 yeah. But also just generally like most of the teenage girls, like
we all just dress.
부모 참마 추와 배지 보는 시간도 아.
Kiranzu shi.
혼자도 가시다. 혼자 혼주죠 그게도 아. 아니 jeans 그게다 trainers. It's like come on, be serious.
Every year.
Every year is the same.
I support that. Symbolism. So, ani Kiranzu ya Tselha, who do you think in the Tongdesu na namju timidi or ashla di khadena?
Everyone looks good.
Everyone looks good. Yeah, I think anju peba thogla nangla changma yaku tongdra.
She was so pretty.
Yeah.
I think Raesang lagi lao na shi the anju peba put into this
Yeah.
level up, step up. So no jeans, no trainers.
Yeah.
Or trainers do it. At least
Trainers okay.
jeans, yeah. I
She
think-
with the trainers is like
Yeah.
it's cool.
Yeah, cancel if you think about it, it's like anju the charge bu di blouse di khen di wala khudun jean khudun khen lena.
No,
I don't know, it's just cancel soda, so let's see. Then you have to put someone last down. Leave
Who was wrong?
Gonda di Raesang lai last. Right.
no included.
So Kiranzu TCB Losar event in the Dorje to go Losar. Kiranzu ki organized China Losar event, would you do it any differently, or are you happy with how it is?
In an ideal world, it would have 3 days in a row.
Oh,
Yeah. That's the ideal. But obviously, in Jilumbala, you can't get 3 days off of like
Just
one
party
full
all
3
3
days in a row. Yeah, man. Like straight. Like.
But nima sum nang la khande chi sare nima chi gangza she chabya. Nima chi gangza.
There'd be Gosha every single day. I love Gosha.
Oh.
It's so much fun.
So you have to be in the center then. Can nima sum gorshi organize she, you know? But Tselha khande chi sare kesi.
I'll keep it the same.
Same?
It's fun,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's really good.
Yeah. Takdare.
More songs that I know. Because otherwise, it's nice when you Gosha, it's nice when you actually know the song.
Exactly.
But it's
yeah.
like when you don't know it, it's so confusing. Every single it's like,
Maybe I think, you know, Kiranzu kashe inner circle the she jangye main Kiranzu moshing na Kiranzu la nyana lana tiyo ngale she playlist share chita ani ngai jangne legi la cha. Jab back circle la nge lap gola. So Kiranzu the TCB member Kiranzu nangmi in the group Losar tangi organize chige picnic do party do.
Not my family in specific, but onto different community yoreta would like London Bula. Like yeah, Walthamstow community, the village community yora. But I think mainly village community onto Tashiling like yora. Tashiling konzo the Losar la. On the day of Losar we do a party, but like afterwards kajine mitama laga chine they do the yora. So we do it like after working hours. But and then like Walthamstow community people they all come.
Oh, they all come to village? Or?
They come to village, like just different people from around London. But I think village is the second main one after the Losar because that's the proper like one for community. But it's Chinju. It's not like everyone outside of London would come, but it's just like just a tiny gathering for us.
Right. Okay.
like a big tiny house.
So like you have Birmingham community, into your so it's just like the London Chinju.
Raesang la Kiranzu nangmi chik chigo re loga.
먼저 참참 like 거울뉴 가시낭라 파주 정기에 참참.
Like a dinner
Yeah,
do
yeah.
nyam chi.
Yeah, 체마디.
So colour saga.
But it's to say hello to your friends and family and wish them a very
Hello to
happy
colour.
New Year.
Colour as well.
Ani ke nyamba into exchange chigo.
Yeah, sometimes yeah.
That's nice.
Money at
Tselha?
times.
Yeah, we also have the Greenwich Tibetan Association, which is also held on the same day. So we just go to the same event. Yeah, we see each other.
So there's nothing separately in the nangmi and the cholo done you don't. Okay, that's fine. As a community nyam tangora, so it's all the same. Anyway, I think we've covered almost everything. But before we end, Kiranzu the Gangza Losar Korina Kandina K line 2 the Kiranzu.
I just want to say, Losar Tashlin to everyone.
Yeah,
That's
that's
nice.
yeah.
Losar Tashlin.
Okay.
So khali khalla khor mat ta khaju ke gelo.
그리고 다시 내 And boys, step your game up.
Right, all the boys have left by now. None of them are watching. Tselha khela ya?
No, I agree with everything.
Lala. Ani tara re nganso taring pyogi channel ki lense tel zamshangi. Ani thanda pato nganso yam to tala tujinang. Tujinang. Bye.